Alright, now let's talk about ACV versus RCV. Now, if you're out there, you've never heard of what ACV and RCV are, you've probably never had an insurance loss, you've never dealt with trying to get paid from an insurance company. So let me break it down for you. ACV is actual cash value. That is what your item is worth right now on the open market. RCV is replacement cost value. That is what it would cost to replace your item that was lost today. The difference between those two things is called depreciation. Now, I thought depreciation was what happened when I took out the garbage and cleaned the floor, and my wife didn't thank me for it. But, as it turns out, depreciation is a mathematical application of percentages that the insurance companies put on items when they pay out their initial claim. So, let's take a hypothetical. You had a water damage in your kitchen, your ice maker broke, and it ruined your hardwood floors. And your hardwood floors have been there for the life of the house, let's say 20 years. When the adjuster comes out and writes his first check for your replacement of the hardwood floors, he's going to take into account the age of those floors. He might say, these floors are 100-year floors, and they've been down for 20 years. So I'm going to depreciate them 20%. So if they were worth, let's say, $5,000, I'm going to take 20% off of that, and I'm going to write you a check. Now you may say, hey, where's my other 20%? Well, the way you get that is you actually hire someone to go replace the floors. You show that receipt to the insurance company. At the end of the job, they pay your recoverable depreciation. Now, how much money are they going to take for depreciation? That's up to the adjuster. You need to make sure that you ask them the question, how did you arrive at these numbers? How did you arrive at 20% or 50%? I've seen 90% depreciation sometimes. Now, there's very little you can do about depreciation. That's the way it is. It's written into your policy. And if you haven't read your policy lately, pick it up. You might need some help getting to sleep, and it'd be the perfect thing for you. But seriously, if you don't know what's in your policy, how can you know what to expect? So, I just wanted to touch on ACV, RCV. I'm going to touch on that in my next video. Alright, bye.